It's time to pick the ultimate tool brand. So, we've got the heavy hitters, DeWalt, Makita, Milwaukee, and Bosch. DeWalt's like that reliable friend who never lets you down. Makita, smooth operator, always cool under pressure. Milwaukee, the strong silent type. And Bosch, German precision at its best. But wait, there's more. Ryobi, the budget-friendly champ, perfect for weekend warriors. Festool, the luxury sedan of tools fancy, but will it break the bank? Hilti, the construction site gladiator. Stanley Black & Decker, owning craftsman, and Irwin talk about a family business. Snap-on, for those who want to flex. Porter Cable, the sensible choice. Works, the underdog with bite. Cobalt, Lavu's loyal sidekick. And or are you the Harbor Freight discount special guy? What you pay for, right? So what's your go-to? Are you brand loyal, or do you mix it up? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's settle this tool turf war once and for all.